morning, everyone. Welcome. My name is Robert Clare. I'm the Director of North America Sales and Marketing for Universal Avionics. And I was originally planning on coming up here and opening up the show with a joke, but I was recently informed by our COO, Paul D. Herrera, that he didn't think that I was that funny. So I thought I'd try something a little different to see if everybody's awake, and we'll see if this works. I think it'll fit the Orlando climate as well, so we'll see what happens.
Changes in latitudes, changes in attitudes, nothing remains quite the same. With all of our running and all of our cunning, if we couldn't fly, we would all go insane.
Well, speaking of changes in attitudes, I'd like to take this opportunity to introduce to you all the latest addition to our product line, the new Universal Avionics Attitude and Heading Reference System. Touch on some of the highlights. It's a MEMS-based technology to provide pitch, roll, heading measurements, designed to integrate with a multitude of avionics equipment, TAWs, flight control systems, flight management systems, etc., all in a compact size to accommodate installation flexibility. We're targeting both segments of the market, forward and retrofit. Part 23, 25 for aircraft, 27, 29 for helos, and it's a low-cost solution for existing obsolete and high-cost ARs that are in the field, as well as a replacement for existing VGs and DGs. It's got quite a few digital and analog inputs and outputs. We tried to think of everything. It supports a huge variety of aircraft applications. Touch a little bit on the certification and airworthiness. There's a list of the applicable FAA and EASA TSOs. And here is a list of the components that make up our new AHARS system. The main LRU, remote magnetometer, and the aircraft mounting plate. It was designed to allow for box swapping, so without the repeat of pesky alignment procedures. And here's an outline of the main LRU enclosure. Here's a list of the digital inputs and outputs, everything from ARINC 429, low speed, high speed, clear down through RS 422 and the Air Data Manchester. And there's a list of the analog inputs and outputs. Again, we were trying to think of everything that we could possibly interface with the new AHARS system. And we added quite a few synchro outputs, a total of 6 3-wire synchro outputs as well as 4 2-wire synchro outputs. And on that note,
well, changes in latitudes, changes in attitudes, nothing remains quite the same. With all of our running and all of our cunning, if we couldn't fly, we would all go insane. Those changes in latitudes, changes in attitudes, nothing remains quite the same. With all of our running and all of our cunning, if we couldn't fly, we would all go insane.